Hello everyone and welcome to day 12 of my Iceland trip.
No, wait. Day 13.
Today I plan to go to Hveravellir. And but I first have to make it out of the city, of course. I started the day with a wrong turn, so now I've just gone around the block. Let's see. And yeah, that's the plan. I'm going to do the 35 road. About half of it, I guess, to get there. I originally planned to do the full 35 road from north to south or south to north, depending, but the way I've changed my route along the way makes it easy to just go halfway up and back down again, because I have mostly things to do in the south right now. Yeah, I didn't make a separate video about yesterday because then I didn't feel much. I took the Golden Circle route to see the Hveravellir National Park and the geyser and the Gullfoss, and also a crater at the end of the day. So that was yesterday. It was loads and loads of people. I was so sick of people at the end, you wouldn't know it. So finally we are on our way. It was a bit of transport lag to get out of the city, and so now we just passed the Gullfoss where I went yesterday, and we're on to road 35 into the mountains. We're going to pass the glacier right over there. It's painful now. I'm not quite sure how long. It should turn into gravel at some point. This used to be classified as an F road, but they have upgraded the road in the past few years, so it's no longer an F road, but it's still going into the mountains. So this is so nice. And not so many people, but I think the place I'm going to is kind of popular for being in the highlands. So I guess there will be some people there, and that's it for the paved road. Now we're over to gravel. It's pretty dusty. I'm just going to keep my distance. Oh man. The dust. Okay, I can see again. Yeah, it's pretty dusty. But so nice! Woo! Oh yeah. Being in the mountains is awesome. Glacier over there. I think over there somewhere as well. Just can't see it right now. Over there is one. For sure? Yeah, maybe that's the one. Oh, look at this, it's just insane. Where do I go? And then it's fine again for a little while, and then suddenly it's like ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-dum. Like here. Another bad section. Ooh. La la. All right, there we go. Just when I was starting to relax and enjoying the nice road. Nice! Be likey. And look at the mountains over there. Yeah, really nice with the glacier over there, the mountains over there, and then yeah, another glacier behind there. Super nice. And also the weather helps a lot. I was kind of thinking of skipping this part, but then I saw the forecast for today, so I decided, no, let's do this. We have time. Yeah, I haven't decided where I'm going to camp tonight yet. I was thinking of staying at Hveravellir when we get there, so I'll see. And there may be possible to charge there as well, which would be good. It's actually drier here than I would have thought, but maybe this area stayed clear. There has been a lot of rain lately. Well, I've also managed to stay clear, so could be that this area doesn't get that much rain. Look at those mountains. I'm going to do a detour, and I think it's that mountain I'm heading for. Cool. Beautiful place. I think, yeah, this is one of the easiest roads to take to get into the highlands, which also means there are more people taking it than the other roads, I guess, but been pretty quiet so far. Not that much traffic. A rocky bit. Yeah, I don't think the gravel stays put. I think it's just blows away. And we're back to the rocks and dirt. Right, we're taking off towards the mountain, and now we're actually on a F-road. I don't think it will be any worse than the one we are already on. So this is yeah, how far? 15 kilometers about. And then we have to come back again the same way, I think. Kerlingarfjöll Highland base. Looks nice. Wow. Yeah, getting a bit more mountainy now. Yeah, this is a beautiful place, Kerlingarfjöll. So I just was down at the parking lot. I probably didn't film that, but there's a parking down here. Quite a few people actually. There are some hiking trails here that looks really nice. Really cool area. So yeah, I saw this other road right up here, so I think I'll just try that and see if I can get a good spot for a picture in front of that mountain. And then we have to go all the way back to the other road and see if we can find our destination. Oh, yeah, let me just try up here. Yeah, definitely the end of the road. Well, it's not really the end of the road, but I don't think I'll be going up there. I'll stop here. This is the location. Yes. So we are heading back down now. Same way as we came. So should be fine, hopefully. It seems steeper down than it did up, but not really that bad. Just have to watch out for major dumps in the road. I don't want to hit the, plastic bottom cover belly pan thingy. But yeah, really nice ride up to the mountain area there, and really cool area. Next time maybe I should spend some time here and do some hiking as well. So next stop is Hveravellir, and I'm hoping to stay the night there. It's already getting quite late, so I'm not really don't really want to ride all the way back. I'll save that for tomorrow, and I think maybe try to get an early start tomorrow so I can cover some distance before the rain. I'll just have to double check the forecast again. But apparently there's rain coming tomorrow. Look at that gorge. Wow. Looks awesome. You see the smile? So nice. It's only like a little less than 40 kilometers to where I'm going, but yeah, it's taken a while. Have to try to avoid all the holes. Maybe you get the nice view of the mountains behind me now. Looks good in the mirror. La la. It probably looks flat on the footage. Well, it is flat, but probably don't see all the holes.
Got really rocky now. They're kind of fixing the road, so I met this guy in the, well, I don't know what the machine is called, but they were kind of scraping off the top layer. So got rid of all the potholes, but now all the rocks are loose and came to the surface and stuff. So not the best surface to ride on. But we're getting there.
Right, so I made it to Hveravellir. The road was, yeah, I got pretty rocky at the end, so I took it really slow, but we made it here, and tomorrow I'll have to decide if I go the same way back or if I continue north. I think maybe it's shorter to the north, so maybe I'll do that and then take the ring road back, but I'll decide tomorrow. So I'll show you on the map where I went today. Right, so today took us from Reykjavik, then we went up like this, and then we started on the road 35 into the highlands. So we just follow road 35 and then took a little detour up here to Kerlingarfjöll, and then continued out here to Hveravellir or Hveravellir or whatever I think they call it. So yeah, really nice ride. So that was it for this video. Hope you liked it and see you next time. Bye!